So we are right now living in a world where we appreciate fakeness, pretending, marketing way more than real honesty. And I think the world is somehow so much corrupted exactly because of that reason. I mean, corruption in itself means being fake, right? So one of the most difficult stuff that we can do right now is to be honest to ourselves and honest to the world right now. But this is the most needed thing right now. And it's interesting because whenever we act out of fakeness, we are moving far away from ourselves. So maybe we think being fake or lying is bringing us not in difficult situations on short term, but on a long term, it definitely backfires. Because I know it from myself. When I was a little bit younger, I was really pretentious and I wanted to be successful so badly. I was back then working for Apple, so I would play the game of making careers. So I wouldn't say stuff which was kind of obvious and somehow not right, because I didn't want to offend my managers or leaders, because I knew in order to me to be more successful and liked from them, I needed to play the game, playing the mindset that what these guys were thinking was right. And very often it was not right, but I wouldn't speak it up because I wanted to be successful. And I have compassion for that. I'm not everyone who lies and is not even aware of it is because they want a better life. They want a better life for themselves. They want a better life for the family. They want to earn proper money. It's about survival. So I get that. But there is a hard payoff. We pay with our dignity. We pay with getting disconnected with ourselves and getting disconnected with the truth. So when I started to recognize the truth and when I started to speak about the truth, it totally changed my life. And was it easy? No, man. Waking up is difficult because you have to get rid of lots of stuff, but you are getting rid of everything what is not you. I was getting rid of everything what I am not. And that's mostly fear. Fear and lying is almost the same, if it's not the same. So we can go through life from an honest integrity place, you know. Integrity is like a Latin word it comes from integer, and it means inter, don't, and ger is like touch. Don't touch the truth. Surrender to the truth and align yourself with what is truth, what you feel. And most of the people who actualize their life and who are inspiring are the people who went to a path of being honest to themselves. If we live the dream from someone else, that's exactly what I'm telling about, having a fake life. Because if we get rid of all fears, we know exactly what to do and we know exactly what is right. And most of the people right now have huge difficulties to make a proper relationship, a meaningful, deep relationship, right? It's exactly because of that reason. We are so insecure and we are so disconnected and we are so involved into our lives that when we get into a relationship, it's just pretending and it's just fake, and we love the other ones for something they are just pretending because we are too afraid to be truthful. So whenever we meet people who are truthful to their self, it's like I allow you also to be truthful totally, the way you are. And we can disagree, but can still share a deep connection. It's way better than pretending that we agree, but there is no truth to it. So since I began to start my relationship based on how I feel and how truthful I am, it's a game changer. And I had way more friends back then, but it's not nearly as fulfilling like one friend with whom I can be honest. So I think we need this kind of people. We need brave people. We need honest people. It's right now the time. And we can start with being honest with ourselves, being honest about every programmation that we got, every conditioning from our family, from society, from friends growing up, from school system. Is it really resonating with us? Is the job that I'm right now fucking doing really what I want, or do I just do it because of some lies that I built, some survival instincts? Because there is nothing more revealing and raising our energy than being aligned with our truth. So that's one of the most important topics, I think, and we will talk about it, but I wanted to get that out. I'm still in Puerto Escondido. It's pretty hot here. So I was searching for a shade, and I might go to the mountains. It's like 3-4 hours from here. There is a very nice mountain town, because I like the air and I feel very good when I'm high. So that's it from my side. As always, if it resonated with you, then subscribe, like, write a comment, and write your opinion about that. What do you think? And what are your challenges to be more truthful? See you.